You're looking for a cabin fan that runs up to 44 hours on the lowest battery consumption, 8,000 milliamp. Hang it up with 3 levels of lighting and up to 6 hours on a timer. We're going to show you what cabin fan is about. This product provided for review from Cruiseview. It is a cabin fan, 8,000 milliamps. As we open up the product, show you how nicely it's packaged inside. You have USB-C compliance cable covered in a covering. You pull out the fan and it has a magnetic base that you simply go up, put it to anywhere metal, and turn the fan on and it'll cool you off. It comes with a carrying case that you can put everything in. On the back of the fan, you have a number of LED lights, a USB-C port, a USB-A port, and 3 switches, and an adjustable fan. Charging the fan is simply putting into the USB-C port. The LED indicators on the side of the USB-C port, we have 3 buttons, white on white lettering, and showing on the instructions will show you what each of the features are. We have the wind speed button located here. Press it once. The fan comes on and you have 3 speeds. Speed number 2, speed number 3, which is high, and off. You have a LED light indicator of low, medium, and high, and off. You have a timer function that turns the unit on for so many minutes to hours. The second one and the third one is simply adjust your fan speed, and the fan will run for that amount of time and shut off. Located on top is a little arrow indicator, so if you need to open up the fan to clean, simply rotate counterclockwise, pull off, clean the inside. As you can see, that's where it locks. Take the cover, place back on, and rotate on, matching up. With the 8,000 milliamp battery and the USB-C cable or any other cable into the unit to charge anything up, the unit will automatically turn on, charge with a green LED indicator. For demonstration showing that the magnet could stick on, a nice strong magnet, adjustable and rotatable, by pressing the buttons in the back and putting on a light. And then you're able to have your cabin light fan as a night light. Also pull it off and it's portable as a flashlight. The fan could be turned on or off manually only. A portable fan for boating, cabins, travel, wherever you need to go. This is a fan that you simply put up, rotate for hours on end of use. 3 different speeds, 3 different timers, and 3 different light levels. I hope you enjoy your cabin 8,000 milliamp fan. Put up anywhere imaginable. On a wall, on a floor, anywhere where there's magnet, or just grab it, hang it, and off you go. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.